Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about a way through which we can refer the fields from one physical file to another file. Okay, so let's discuss. So here I have created one PF which is books, and it has these many of fields: book ID, book name, book price, book quantity, and these are the attribute we have set for these fields like book ID is of size 5 numeric, book name is 30 characters, and likewise. And also we have one key field here, book ID, and we are using this column heading function to give some meaningful name to these fields. So this is the basic structure of any physical file. So if you are not aware of how to declare or create the physical file, then you can refer the previous sessions. Like there is one session of how to create the physical file, but in this session mainly we are discussing about the field reference. So what we are going to do, suppose this is the field I have created with 5 numeric, and this is my column heading. I want to refer the same attributes, these attributes I want to refer in some other physical file. So how to do this? So to achieve this we have two ways: one using file level keyword, and one is field level keyword. So in this session mainly we will learn about the file level keyword, and in upcoming session we will discuss about the field level keyword. So let's see how to use file level keyword. So to use file level keyword, what you need to do, you have to, at the beginning of before the record format name, you have to take F4, and then you have to use this function ref books. So books is the physical file name which I want to refer. Okay, so it is now declared. Now what we will do, we will directly, instead of declaring book ID with the same attribute, what we will do, we will justly take F4. We will just take F4, and in name field we will put the field name which is book ID, and in ref field we will write R. It means it will refer it from the ref file. So whatever the physical file mentioned in ref function, it will refer it from there. Similarly, I am referring the book name also from the same physical file, but one thing need to be taken care here is the field name should be same as it is in this books file. Okay, so here in books file we have one field as book ID, therefore we are keeping it as a book ID same. So this is the one thing that is very uh, that will need your concern, that whenever you are creating a physical file with the help of ref file level keyword, then you have to keep the same name which you are referring from the other physical file. So let's compile this. So if I compile this physical file, and now we will run query Sharmit1 author. So it has these two fields, book ID and book name. Okay, so this is how we can refer the fields from the other physical file. But here one condition is mandatory, that we have to keep the field name as same. But in upcoming session we will discuss the another way of referring the fields from other physical file using the file field level keyword. So that method has some advantage that we will discuss in the upcoming session. So mainly in this session we discuss about the file level keyword ref, which is used to refer the field, but the field name should be same as we have inside the referring file, referring physical file. All right, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will learn about few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.